Stop spending 4 hours formatting PDFs every time a potential client asks for a service overview. You possess decades of operational mastery, but if you're manually dragging and dropping boxes in a design program, you are overfunctioning as a graphic designer for your own business. Your expertise is your strategy, not your formatting skills. Today, we're going to fix that. I'm going to show you how to take your existing brand guidelines, your foundational business knowledge, and a single prompt in Notebook LM to generate a premium, interactive, client facing one pager. We're going to build an asset complete with your logo, your colors, and a direct booking link in under 10 minutes. Let's look at the screen so that you see how flexible this is. Now I'm using the canvas feature, which is used for like writing, if you are trying to visualize in some way documents, and then I'm also using my notebooks from Notebook LM, so that's going to allow me to pull in actual like foundational knowledge about my business, about my content, so it can pull from that as well. So in this particular prompt, I'm asking it just to do a one pager and asking it to use my logo and brand fonts, which are found in the sources. And then so I'm just going to, let's see here, give it a few, no fillers. And that's part of my, so I'm asking it to no fillers or buzzwords, but I already have that as a custom instruction in my content, so that's just a reinforcement there. But I just want to show you how some of the flexibility of this tool here. So I'm asking it again to do a one pager, so I'm asking for a document this time. So it actually, and you'll see here, one of the things that I like is that since the new updates, it now it's thinking, and it kind of shows you that thinking process, how it's thinking. You see it's analyzing here. So just kind of going through the process, it's reading through your prompt, and it's become way simpler. You still want a structure. You want to kind of give it a role. Now, in my particular case, and I will kind of give that disclaimer, in this particular case, all of this is already pre-set up. I have my content already set up, my content engine within my Notebook LM, which I use the two interchangeably. But so you'll see here, as it says, it's creating the app. So it's literally going to create, and it says here, it gives me an idea of what it's doing. It's going to generate a premium client-facing single-page digital overview that matches my brand. So it's going to take the editorial layout, and you see here it's going to use my color palette from my brand. It's going to use the new logo that we have. So this is really nice. And it has an interactive download or print function, so for easy distribution. So very nice and laid out. And book your assessment call, so they can literally do it. This is an app where just a simple internal app. I can add it to a the Notion onboarding if someone is interested, or send this as an email, a link, and they can open it up. If they desire, they can book the assessment right from here. And so but one of the things, and I'll show you, because this isn't this is a whatchamacallit, but one thing I'll show you is that you do have the ability from over here. It shows you the core features that were added. I have the ability to, right in here, say to add in my booking link, and then it will literally click. They can click, and it'll go straight to my booking page. And it's again a simple link that you can add to a profile, or that you can send to your potential clients. You can send as an email, and and then just send it as a link. They can, again, like I said, they can book it from right here, or they can save it as a PDF. You can save it as a PDF, print it out, or and hand it out, or also email it as well. And it comes in a very nicely formatted document, and that was with just a very simple prompt. Now, if I really wanted to go in, I can update this. I can say use my bio photo, or add this, add pictures of products. Like, there's other things that I can add right here from this prompt box using the canvas feature. It allows you to literally just build it out from here, and it's like very simple. It took me like 10 minutes with a pre-formatted prompt I already had, but just as simple. You can do it off the fly here, as it says, let's write or build together, and it kind of means that, because you literally can just kind of come up with an idea on the fly. But again, it took like 10 minutes, and this is a full app here that you can use. And like it says, it gives you the core features. There's also I don't have it on the screen, and I'll show you more. There's also the option to see the code as well for how this is built, so you don't have to keep it in here as an app, which you can do that and you can host it, but you also have the ability to take that code and take it to your developer, or if you have someone on your team that can do that as well, and integrate it right into your current website or whatever a booking option that you have right now. So very simple, very flexible, and again, very, very quick, and again, just with a simple prompt.